Learn shapes with fun. Hello, little learners. Welcome to a fun adventure with shapes. Today, we'll explore some amazing shapes that we see all around us. Are you ready? Let's go. Circle, this is a circle. A circle is round and has no corners. Can you think of something that looks like a circle? Yes! A pizza, a clock, and the sun are all shaped like circles. Square. This is a square. A square has 4 equal sides and 4 equal corners. Look! A gift box, a window, and a slice of cheese can all be squares. Triangle. This is a triangle. It has 3 sides and 3 corners. A slice of pizza, a mountain, and even an ice cream cone can look like triangles. Rectangle. This is a rectangle. It has 4 sides, but 2 are long and 2 are short. A door, a notebook, and a chocolate bar are great examples of rectangles. Star. This is a star. It has 5 points and looks like magic. Stars twinkle in the sky, and we also use stars to show something special. Game time. Now it's time for a fun game. Can you find the triangle? Great job! You found the triangle. You're a shape expert. Okay, friends, thanks for watching. See you next time.